Today, we will listen to the topic, phone out of order.
Hey!
What's wrong?
There's something wrong with the phone. I'm getting a strange noise.
Are you? I can hear you clearly.
Hello? Hello?
This payphone might be out of order. I'll call you again with another phone.
Hello? How about now? Is there still a strange noise?
Yes, perhaps my phone is out of order.
You should get in touch with the phone company. Hey, what's the matter with the phone? Here, listen to this peculiar noise.
It doesn't sound like a dial tone.
It must be out of order. We'd better notify the phone company.
How do we do that? We can't use the phone.
Let's go next door and use our neighbor's phone.
He's always complaining about people. I don't want to ask any favors of him.
How about across the street?
I forgot about Mrs. Riley. I'm sure she'd let us use her phone.